Hey, what's up everybody? It's your girl Tanya Lady T and you are cooking with Lady T. Today I'm cooking some chicken Alfredo. Extra creamy, that is. Just had a taste for it, so we're gonna do it. Hey, what's up everybody? I got a taste for some chicken Alfredo. And so we're gonna do that today. Just something simple, quick, and easy. Again, I just got the taste for the flavor. I'm gonna stick these in the water to sort of blanch them, get that frozen, because they're frozen. And I can just use this pasta water and put them in here. And I'm gonna just boil them in here for about a good 2-3 minutes only. And then I'm gonna pan fry them, because I'm gonna make a nice little marinade sauce with them as well. Okay, y'all, we're going to take the chicken tenders out of the water. Again, it's just a blanch to get that frozen, take them out of that frozen status. We're going to put a little olive oil in the pan. Okay. Okay, then I'm going to put about a tablespoon. This is going to equal out to about a tablespoon to a tablespoon and a half of butter. Put that in there. Okay, we let all that melt down, the butter and then the oil, and then we're just going to fish out our tenderloins. Take off the excess water. Okay, stir it around in there. And then we're going to put our linguine in the pot. Okay, this chicken is about done, so what I like to take it, so we can have some bite sizes. Just take your chicken, your poultry or your meat shears and just cut them into bite sizes. That's goodness down there in the bottom of that pan. Okay, and now what we're going to do now is we're going to start on our glaze. Okay, so you can use any type of Pinot Grigio dry wine. First, I'm going to put some minced garlic in here, about a teaspoonful. A little bit more. I love garlic. Okay, we're going to cut this on low. You're going to stir that around in there and stir it real quickly because you don't want your garlic to burn. Okay. Okay, and then I'm going to pour about 1/4 cup of this Pinot Grigio dry wine in here. And it's gonna lift up all those ingredients. See how it's cleaning and lifting up those ingredients out of that pan? I learned this from Miss Barbara. My mom too, but Miss Barbara, because she has a restaurant, she really knows how to get those glazes. Now probably she use a thick whipping cream, but since we're doing the Alfredo sauce, we don't need to do that. Okay, so we're gonna just let this simmer for a little bit, and then I'll add a little seasonings to this. Okay, y'all, we're gonna start with a little onion powder. Garlic powder. We're gonna do some cracked black pepper. Okay, and those are your seasonings for right now. I'm not going to put any salt in this because, again, we're going to put our classico extra creamy Alfredo sauce in here, and after we mix that in, we're going to see what the salt content needs to be. Okay, y'all, the noodles, or I should say the linguine, is ready. I've already drained them and they're al dente, not quite all the way done. Burning off a little bit of this wine, and we're going to add our Alfredo sauce now. And I saved some of the pasta water to swish around in here to get the rest of the sauce out. Just stir that in there. Let it heat up a little bit so I can taste it to see what it might need, any added flavor. Well, this is a quick, easy way to do chicken Alfredo when you don't have time to make your Alfredo sauce from scratch. Just get you some Classico, which I love the Classico brand. Love it. Let's try it. Ooh, that's good. Nice and creamy. Excellent. Okay. So what we're going to do now is go ahead on and add our linguine. I've got it in my colander, and I'm just going to pour a little bit in at a time. It's hot. I'm just going to fold it into the pasta sauce. Or I should say Alfredo sauce. And I do have another jar of this. See how that's saturating it? Just add a little bit at a time so each strand gets coated properly. And at this point, you want to, once you get everything folded in, you can cut your heat down to a simmer. Because I don't like my pasta to be too mushy. I still like it to have a little bite to it. Smells wonderful. I can smell the wine glaze in it. I'll probably put a little more pepper Okay. And we'll fold in the rest. But y'all, that's as simple as 1, 2, 3. You've got your chicken in here, seasonings, and of course, let me just try one. Oh, that is perfect, just like that. I don't even really need to add any salt. Perfect. So thank y'all so much for watching. Bon appetit.